Thought we'd set up our neighbor's razor that he's selling. Wants $19,000 for it, $19,900. And look how cool this looks with the 2024 Nobo No Boundaries 10.7 with the built-in tent. And it is nice and solid, very comfortable. Look how high you are. Good vantage point. Very beautiful. You have an outside kitchen for your cooking needs. It does have a water heater, vacuum bonded sidewalls, off-road tires, very sturdy steel fenders you can get up on, TV, fireplace, and a nice area there with a futon you can arrange in a variety of ways. Call us at